Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in, imagine breathing in a resourceful feeling of relaxation. And as you exhale, just get a sense that tension, stress, or worries are leaving your body in your outward breath. Breathing in that resourceful feeling of relaxation, and as you exhale, if it's safe to do so, allow your eyelids to close, and in closing, notice that more of your attention can be on the sound of my voice. As you listen to the sound of my voice, give yourself permission to release any feelings of frustration, anxiety, or worry, so that as you breathe outwards, feel what it would feel like to let go of that tension now, to let go of those worries, to let go of that stress. Meaning that just breathing in and breathing out can create a feeling of not just relaxation, but a feeling of resourceful relaxation. The kind of relaxation that enables your body and mind to reset and to feel like your batteries are recharged again. As your body relaxes, I want your mind to become imaginative, playful, experimental. And I wonder what it would be like if we can go on a journey inside your imagination. And best of all is that your imagination will create an experience just for you. Because as you listen to my words, your imagination will create something that only you will experience. Everyone else will experience what their imagination creates for them. Imagine thousands of VR headsets creating a unique experience for each individual. So harness the power of your imagination and imagine going to a town in England, right in the center of England, right in the Midlands. And imagine going to a spa town, but imagine going to a spa town not in modern day, but back in Victorian times. Going back over 100 years to a time where this vibrant town was a place where the aristocracy, the rich, the industrialists would go to this town to unwind, to relax. I want you to imagine that you're back in the past and you're going to a spa inside the spa town. I want you to imagine that it's an old Victorian building. I want you to imagine seeing the old white stone. I want you to imagine looking at a room inside the spa that enables you to bathe in the warm mineral waters that have come from deep underground. Imagine natural light coming in from the ceiling, and imagine that you can bathe in this water, and imagine that the salt and the minerals in the water feel like you're able to float on the surface. I want you to get a sense that the minerals in this water are rejuvenating your skin, taking any tension away from your body, and enabling you to feel deeper and deeper relaxed now. And while you're relaxing there on the surface of that water, I want you to imagine that you have the capacity to manufacture any emotion you desire. If you wanted to feel happy, you could manufacture that emotion just by thinking of a time that someone paid you a compliment, or someone surprised you with a wonderful gift or a thoughtful letter. And if you wanted to manufacture the emotion of motivation, maybe you would just judge something in your life that you're not happy with. Judge that there is something that you want to change. And if you could evaluate that you have the resources to be able to change something that is now unacceptable for you, wouldn't that manufacture the emotion of motivation or desire to create that change? I want you to imagine that you are a judge in a courtroom, and that you get to decide of everything in your life what should change and what should remain. I want you to think of those things that create joy and happiness and connection. Those things should remain. But how about we change the things that create the most unpleasant of emotions? I want you to judge your entire life and figure out what in the past has caused despair, such deep sadness and hopelessness. And I wonder if you can think of anything in your life that has contributed to a feeling of despair. Maybe it was things that happened to you outside of your control. Maybe it was situations that you found yourself in that with the benefit of hindsight you wanted to avoid. Maybe there are certain relationships or pressures on you that feel hopeless at times. And if, when judging your life, you can find anything that is cause for despair, wouldn't that manufacture the emotion of a desire to change it? And how do you change such negative emotions? Well, first of all, you decide what you would rather they were. If you're in a job that causes despair, what would need to happen for you to be able to leave that job and to move into something else? A lot of the time, despair is caused by a feeling of hopelessness because we're looking for just a single solution to a problem. And I wonder what would happen if, rather than looking for a single solution to a complex problem, I wonder what would happen if you entertained the idea that doing something that improves it even slightly can create the momentum to create even further changes. And best of all, you don't even have to worry about what that solution is. All you need to do is to judge that you're dissatisfied with this part of your life and committed to making some form of change. If you're feeling despair about your body shape, it's unrealistic to wake up tomorrow exactly being as lean and as toned as you would want to, but perhaps you could find the motivation to just walk for 10 minutes. And I think you'll find that even walking for 10 minutes would manufacture a feeling of pride, a feeling of accomplishment, a feeling that you're taking back control of something that you've already judged to be no longer useful for you. But don't forget to keep all of those amazing things in your life that you want to remain with you. Perhaps your friendships, perhaps your experiences, perhaps those qualities within your life that even if you were to change and become slimmer or wealthier, even if you were to change a key relationship or a key job, the majority of what's in your life you would probably want to have the same. And best of all, what this means is that there is so much to be grateful for in your life, even before this change takes place. Despair can fuel a decision to change. And I want you to allow your subconscious mind to surprise you with ideas as to how that could happen. And with surprise, what's best of all is you get to wait knowing that your unconscious mind is seeking solutions for you even when you sleep. No matter what you do, your mind is hoping to surprise you with ideas, intuition, and solutions to something you've already judged that you no longer want in your life. I want you to leave that courtroom no longer being the judge and find yourself back there in that spa, in Leamington Spa, floating on the surface of that warm water, feeling that the minerals have recharged your batteries. You feel energized, motivated, resourceful, feeling that you can take on new challenges. Perhaps you can even change those things that have left you feeling frustrated or hopeless at times, but now with this new energy, allow your body and mind to surprise you with small actions, small thoughts, steps in the right direction that will take your life into innovative and positive ways. You're already surprised at the power of the subconscious mind. And I want you to trust that your subconscious mind will now work for you rather than against you, taking your life into powerful, positive directions. As you lay there on that warm mineral water, feeling energized and recharged, feeling healthy, you realize that all of this is just ideas within ideas, thoughts within thoughts, dreams within dreams, and actually you're listening to my voice firmly in the present. Very soon I will count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. You will awaken feeling resourceful, feeling motivated, willing to allow your subconscious mind to surprise you, and best of all, there's nothing you need to do other than listen to your intuition. Feeling like you're in your body right now, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. Just wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Get a sense that you're fully present in the moment, listening to my voice right now as I count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. Starting to count. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.